Hey ladies and gents, what's going on YouTube? Sparky Marky Mark 23 here, coming to do a little review and unboxing. So, as you all have been hearing about the hurricane and the Hurricane Dorian and the whole businesses of the other side of Florida. For the record, it's not going to hit in this part of Florida because due to the fact we're only going to get some sprinkles and some wind here and there. But I'm here to do a little. But anyway, we already pray to God it's not going to hit us that hard. So for that, let's open up this. But before I take it out, let's pop a music on. Let's play some songs here. A little rap music wouldn't hurt. Hip hop, y'all. Open up the tin. Here's the warranty card. And of course you have the manual for one of the module numbers, 5146 and 5425, for a certain piece. And it's the 5146 GA110CB-1A. And it's this piece you're looking at, folks. And you see these basic pieces anywhere. Here's the number that you just saw with a tag, and it's a black and blue version. And I can't even tell where to make the sound. So I think it's sound. I don't even know how to unsilence it. So you got your stopwatch, split, of course, my personal favorite, the timer, my favorite of the whole piece, and you have the day and date and the UTC, what country, and then you're back to your homes and you have alarms, and you have the day and date. Then after that, you go to that, press one of these buttons, and you go back to here. There you go, you press this button to go back to where things are, and today's Monday. But today's Tuesday, I don't get what the heck happened. Must have to adjust the date myself, or I'll do it off when I'm done with this video. For adjusting, I don't even know how to make the sound come back on these pieces, but it does have a sound and I'm in the right country. Now, unfortunately, this is not your basic 6900s. As you can see here, this piece came out in 2016, and that particular year we had great pieces. And the buckle's definitely familiar, including the strap, of course. Very familiar to all you G-Shock aficionados, which you may be familiar with the piece from the GD100 and the other model that we have from that year, from 2016 as well, for the GA400. And of course, the bummer thing, this is not your, well, not the bummer thing, but of course you have a different luminescent light, but it's not electroluminati, or it just has an incandescent orange micro light, which is right in the epicenter to help you. See that, folks? Of course, this is what you're getting. And that's what you're gonna get, of course, with this piece. And it's just a basic piece, but of course a colorway from 2016. And I'm playing a 2016 song, and I'm playing a song called For Free DJ Khaled featuring Drake. Here. Put the thing on display here. Boom, 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 boom. So, and anyways, this is a great piece from 2016, great piece to add in the collection. Nothing special and unique. The display looks basic, the straps, but the color wave is definitely different because it's black and blue, y'all. Black and blue. So, yeah, that's what you're going to be wearing for now. I mean, I'm not going to be wearing this. It's a unique piece in my opinion.
And also, I already showed you the functions and all of that.
Well, something just fell, but don't worry. Pick that up later. So anyways, I'm gonna have to give out some shout outs, man. It's gonna be quite a few. So shout outs to Mike835, shout outs to G-Shock Go, shout outs to G-Dub, shout outs to Willie Licks, Master 4999. Also shout outs to the dude across the pond in the UK, Mike Hughes, you the man. Oh man, wait for it to be done and wait for it. More shout outs to the Ninja in Washington, and it's what I heard from the Chavo. And I already said G-Shock Go. Heck, also to the rest of the reviewers, Crispy, hey, you listening, man? Crispy, I'll post you a link to one of his videos, man. Actually, about 9 months ago, he just did his YouTube comeback video. And it's good to see him after his hiatus, after 5 years since 2014. And also, man, oh man, also to the young collector, G-Shock High Fashion, yo. Shoutouts to that dude. And shoutouts to mostly Casio watch reviews. I'll post you a link to his channel as well. Of course, so anyway, I'm signing out, everybody. This is Sparky Mark, and now I'm out of here, and walk on with the Apple Watch. Peace!